I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Armada tire. First, ensure your safety and the safety of others by parking your vehicle on a level, firm surface, away from moving traffic. Always engage your parking brake and turn on your hazard lights. Next, gather your essential tools, the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, typically found in the cargo area of your Armada. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and efficient tire change. Once your vehicle is secure, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame, close to the flat tire. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact jacking points. Now, slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is approximately 2 to 3 inches off the ground, allowing ample space for removal. With the vehicle raised, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel hub. It might be heavy, so handle it with care. Next, lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on your Armada. Gently push it onto the hub. Once the spare is seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs until they are snug. This ensures the spare tire is temporarily secure. Finally, use the jack to carefully lower your Nissan Armada completely to the ground. Once the vehicle is fully on the ground, use the lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts firmly in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure and prevents the wheel from coming loose. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure and drive to a service center soon. Securely store the flat tire and all your tools in the cargo area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.